Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is FABFITFUN Day and it is one of my favorite days of every season. So today we've got the summer box. I did do a few add-ons though, so I'm just going to throw those in really quick, show you what they are, and then we'll move on to the contents of the box. So they always have really good deals. If you're not signed up, I'll link it below, but just so you guys know, if you become a member, you also get to do these add-ons and you can select products for like way less than what you pay retail. Every 3 months it's $49.95. I actually did the select membership, which saves you about $5 off each box. So I paid around $180, and so I saved about $5 a box. And I went ahead and did the year, which gives you earlier access to add-ons. It also lets you select more things in your box, so I really got to pick what I wanted, which was really cool. So let's jump right in. First off, I really needed a good dry shampoo, and I've tried this one before and really like it. It is the Chlorane Dry Shampoo with Oat Milk. This is the one that I like a lot. So it cleans hair. This one also like absorbs oil, but it's not drying to my scalp and it doesn't look super white when I put it in. That is why I love that one so much. That's what it looks like. And this was really inexpensive. Again, I'll try to put retail and what I paid for it, but really good dry shampoo. I'm really excited to have it again. I think it's a really good one. And I think I had a mini before and I loved it. Next, I got this Evian spray because I was like, why would anybody pay that much for just water in a bottle? But yeah, I did. So it's just Evian natural mineral water, and it says it moisturizes, refreshes, and tones. I don't know how it tones. That's what it looks like there. And I was curious about the ingredients. It literally says water, nitrogen. I want to try it out though. So I'm burning up right now. So it feels like water, but it feels cool. So I think this will just be nice to have in the summer. I'm in Alabama, if you guys don't know, and it's hot. It's hot, very hot. So I am really excited to have this, and I probably wouldn't have bought it if I had to pay full price. So I'm really excited that I got it so cheap. And one more add-on I did was the Murad Hydrating Toner. I did another facial spray. I've been going crazy. Like, I bought Pacifica facial spray. I bought another setting spray. I'm just spray crazy. So let's look at this one. It's the Hydrating Toner from Murad. And this is regularly like $24, I think, because we have it at Sephora. And the cool thing about this one, it's a toner that you don't have to like waste a cotton pad on. So you can spritz it on, and I'm gonna spray this too because yeah, I'm like that. It smells really nice. It's very refreshing, and you can also use this as a setting spray because I've used it in work many times after I was trained on it because I was like, I'm not sure about that as a setting spray, but it worked really well. So those are my 3 add-ons, and they're all sprays of some form, but 2 for face because I'm sick. So it's summertime and it's time to open the box. So I'm gonna show you guys, or first of all, I guess I should show you in more detail what the box looks like. It's really cute. You've got a lady, and I think that's her hair. I'm not sure. There's fruits of sorts. There's a little drink and a little bird. Open it up. This is what you've got. You've got your little flyer thingy. What just fell out was a card to give you guys a discount. I will put that in the description box. I'll link it down below in case you want to sign up. Let's go ahead and tear into this paper. So the first thing is this little, oh, I didn't realize it would be so small. Look at it. You could put it on your keys, or you could just carry it around your wrist, but it's a very simple little card holder. So you could put like a card and maybe like, you know, a little bit of cash in there. It's really small, but it looks like a little envelope. It's really cute. I like that. It's petite. And I do love the color combination, this like peachy and the gold. So this was a selection as well, and this one retails for $20, so not bad. Probably wouldn't pay $20 for it if I just saw it laying out somewhere. I would be like, that's cute. Next, this is a ring, and this is by Earth to Yo. It's 14 karat gold plated, and it has 2 naturally cultured freshwater pearls. I like how it like leaves a section in between where you actually like don't see anything. This retails for $55. So again, something that I would say, oh, that's really cute, but I probably wouldn't spend that much on it. So that's kind of what it will look like on. I like it. I love that these boxes really introduce you to so many new things that you probably wouldn't pick up for yourself. I see the Kula Classic Sunscreen SPF 50. I'm familiar with Kula, but I don't think I've ever used their sunscreen. So this is what it looks like. I like that blue packaging. It says this is a white tea and it is a moisturizer. Oh, okay. Moisturizer SPF 50, and it is organic if you're not familiar with Kula. This goes for $32. I don't know what this is, but it says it's from Pier 1, so it's gotta be something cute. Oh, I like this. Look how cute. It's marble with gold trim. I love it. I'm crazy about little dishes like this. I have too many, but I really like this. And this goes for $14.99. And next I got the Orlando Pita. I think it's Pita. Orlando Pita. Atma Shield Hair Protectant Treatment Spray. Okay. So that looks cool. I like the packaging a lot. It's very cute, sleek but summery. This protects your hair from heat styling and from UV rays, so it's just really great. So I'll have to make sure to take this to the beach and use it on my hair when I'm gonna be out in the sun. This one goes for $34. Okay, so the next thing I'm so excited about, and I'm happy with my color too, because this was the color I initially saw like the very first sneak peek of in this color, and I thought it was so cute. So I'm so excited to have this. So this is a Foreo Luna, and it's called a Fofo, and this is actually not released yet, so it is a brand new item. I'm gonna have to open it to show you guys the other side. Oh, I don't know what that is. It's like, it's got like a little barcode on it. It says to scratch it. This is the front side of it. That is your cleansing side. The other side is so freaking cute. So that's his little eyes, which are actually sensors for your skin, and it looks like he's holding a camera to take a picture. It's so cute. It's powered by Bluetooth technology, and it has advanced skin sensors. It creates a totally personalized profile. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to like read into it more and find out how to use this, but this was the color that I saw the first time, and I was like, oh, that is so cute and summery. So I am really, really excited. And it says it measures skin's moisture, reveals your skin's age, and customizes your cleansing routine. Huh. And you can download the app and it'll track your progress. I'm not sure that I was supposed to receive this, because it says, this one section says you either get the little mini wallet exfoliator or this, and I got the little wallet and this. You can do the thing where you like pick more than one, so you can like pay a little extra and get another one of the options, but I didn't do that. But this is a little loop resistance band. That's pretty cool. That's really nice though, because that's super portable. Like you can just throw that in your bag if you wanted to. So this is by Maji, and it goes for $15.
This is that fit part of the box. I like the fab and the fun better.
I don't know why this straw is here. I donated $1 to like wildlife conservation. I was just like, sure, why not? I just add $1 on there, and they gave me this straw in the box. Oh, it's a paper straw. Look how cute. So it's a little paper straw with turtles on it. This actually says to make a sea otter's day and pledge to use less plastic at giveasip.us, which is, it's like hashtag give a sip on here. It says, plus we'll send you a free reusable stainless steel straw to help keep your pledge. That's so cool. They're always doing something nice. So I will definitely go on giveasip.us and pledge to use less plastic straws, especially if I have a stainless one. Like, why not? I have to show you guys too. Otters are some of the most adorable creatures. Look at him. I love him. Oh. Little sea pup. Back to business. I also got the Chartist Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette. If you guys have not seen this, I actually own it, and there were two options. The other one was 2 pieces, a little mini palette and a liner. I have the mini palette, I don't have the liner, but I just opted to get this because this is going to be going in a giveaway very, very soon. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you see when that giveaway goes up, because it will include this and many other things. This also goes for $45. And I have one more thing. This is the Summer and Rose Beach Towel. Oh wow. This goes for $55. It should be a good beach towel. This was a selection, and when I saw the pineapples, I was like, me, yes. But then it's got this cheap side. The one side's really soft and nice, and then the other side's just like plain. $55, I don't know. But that's the print of it. Pinnacles and leaves. How cute. I wear it. So that's everything I got in my FabFitFun box for the summer 2018. I'm really excited. I'm probably definitely most excited for the Foreo. I almost feel like too it would be cute to like put my Foreo on this, is that being a little extra. But yeah, I'm excited about that. I like my add-ons a lot. Everything else is really, really cute. I'm happy with it, and I'm really excited that I got such a nice thing out of it to put in my giveaway too. Make sure to leave me a thumbs up if you like these type of videos where I unbox things for you, and also drop some comments below if you have suggestions of other things I can try out and share on my channel with you guys. And of course, I will link FabFitFun down below if you want to check it out. I think it's wildly, wildly worth it. It's such a good deal every time, and I just really like getting a little surprise with it as well. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.